Hello, today we're going to look at this sectional view question here. So it says the wheels are attached to this toy trolley as shown below. It's got the wheels there. The wheels say 150 millimeters diameter and 50 millimeters thick. We've got an axle of 20 millimeters and a hole of 30 millimeters. It's got lots of different bits on there. So it says complete the sectional view AA through the axle of the toy trolley to a scale of 1 to 5. So we've already got this part mainly drawn, and the AA bit goes straight through the middle of that axle and it points forward. So we've got to look at doing this cart here. So this part was drawn, we've got this bit here, which is the bottom part of that. That's the viewing underneath, that's the top view. So we've got like that base part of the intersection. So that's coming across. So we've already got half of it drawn there. So we can use this to draw quite a bit of it already. So what I'm going to do is, that's the same on both sides. So I'm just going to copy this over the other side. So this part here is 10 millimeters thick. So I'll put a little mark at 10 millimeters. And then I'll get my 90 degree and come down here. So then we need to have the line going across here and line across here. So imagine this is being just cut in half through the wheels part. So we're along here. So that's chopped in half. That is the base part here we've looked at. So then we've got to look at the wheels here. So we've got the centre line showing where the centre is, and it tells us the wheels are 150 millimeters diameter. So we need to divide that by 5. So 150 divided by 5 is 30. So with that being the middle, we need to go up 15 and down 15 from that line. So I'll get my rule and I'm going to go up 15 here and down 15 there. And I can project those lines across. So I'll do it along here and at the top here. So the next part we look at is the thickness of the wheels. So it says they're 50 millimeters thick, so 50 divided by 5 is 10. So I'm going to measure 10, put a little mark this side, measure 10, put a little mark that side. And I'll get my 90 degree and project down here, so centre to the side, and here, all the way down, and here all the way down. So we've got our basic bits here. So the next thing to do is put these holes to the axle going through. So it says here the axle is 20 millimeters thick. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So obviously this is the middle, so we need to go up 2 and down 2 on these wheels. So 2 is there and 2 is there. So the wheels then, and it's going to be slightly smaller than that gap there. So I'll put it along here, along there, and put this one here, so there, and there. And I also missed off just a couple of lines here, so the bottom part of that, which is there, and the other one is there. So what I'll quickly go do is just line these bits in now. So the wheel goes all the way down and down here. We need this going to there and down to there. The last little bit. This side's done, so the wheel going down, and the wheel going down. Then the bit's going across horizontally. So this needs to complete that sort of H section. To the tops of the wheels. There, we get this bit here. And then the very bottom of the wheels. There and there. So, last thing to do, because it is a sectional view, is we need to put the hatches going along. So I'm going to do 2 different ways. One way for the wheel, to show us 2 separate parts, and we don't want to go in that inside bit because that is obviously hollow inside where that axle is. I'll go along here. I'll just send this side for this wheel. Like that. So that's the two wheels done, and then we're just going to go the opposite way for the main body. So this just shows that it is a sectional view, and this part is normally solid and has been cut. Anything that hasn't been cut, we leave as it is. So yeah, that's how it's there. Going along. It takes a little bit of time, this. And one thing I've just missed to add in is the axle going along. So I put the holes to the axle in the wheels, I just didn't put it along. So you're join these two bits up. There. And there. And then that's it complete.